Whether you're just getting started on your ancestry journey or you're deep into it, one thing you can do to make even more family history discoveries: talk to your family. Start with those in the oldest living generation. Capture their memories and stories before it's too late. And if you are the oldest living generation, talk to siblings and cousins to round out your knowledge of those who came before. Here are 3 questions to ask any family member to get the conversation started. What is your favorite memory of your grandparents? What's the most interesting story you ever heard about one of our ancestors? Which one of your siblings or cousins were you closest to, and why? Questions like these yield so much more than just yes or no answers. Time spent together reminiscing will benefit your relationship. Stories told will enrich your family history. And you never know, a previously unseen photograph or two just may find its way out of a shoebox, into your hands, and onto your ancestry family tree. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.